The Vertical Climber Machine by Goplus Fitness. The Goplus Climber's sleek design and rugged steel frame allows for a great workout every time. Lightweight and durable, the climber supports up to 220 pounds. Designed for all body types. The Vertical Climber focuses on the upper body, core, and lower body workout. With the digital calorie and step counter, your workout starts and stops at your convenience. High quality rubber gripping. Solid foot structure. The Vertical Climber is adjustable for any height. Compact design allows for easy storage. The Vertical Climber machine is a practical fat shrinking, body sculpting workout that allows you to practice both cardio and muscular workouts without going to the gym. Climb your way to peak health with the Vertical Climber machine by Goplus.